All right, everyone, the Belmo Experience here for this weekend is now concluded. It was absolutely phenomenal. I am almost lost for words on how much this is. It's amazing how many people have come to our events, our staff, my family, my friends. This is basically a dream come true to be able to run events like this, to give back to the community, to basically change bowling. So here at Pro Approach Bowling, we are a bowling company that sells equipment, right? And we sell bowling balls and bags and shoes. We do lessons. But truly what we want to do is help bowlers. We believe in bowling better. We believe in learn, practice, and compete. And without events like this, it's hard to demonstrate that on a daily basis. But again, at Pro Approach Bowling, we are here for you. We love you guys, and we want to change bowling with you. So again, join us at Pro Approach Bowling. You can check us out at proapproachbowling.com. I can't thank Jason enough for flying all the way around the world from Australia. He FaceTimed me and said, "Mate, I'm on my way. I just drove to the airport and I can't wait to see you guys." And to have someone that passionate about bowling that wants to partner with Pro Approach and myself and the little kid in me when I was in college, and I finally got to meet Belmo. And here I am now working with this guy. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible what bowling has done for me, and I know it can do that for you too. So don't hesitate to reach out to us if you need anything. We're here for you. Again, we love you guys. We'll talk to you soon.